Chapter 4 Advanced Features of MS Word 1. Topics covered: Find and replace, subscript and superscript, header and footer, drop cap, page margins, column formatting, page break and column break, setting page orientation and page size, indenting text. While creating documents, we make a lot of errors. MS Word has wonderful editing features that enable us to make changes in our documents. This is known as editing. We have already learned the basic editing commands available in MS Word, including undo and redo, cut, copy, paste, spelling and grammar. Let us learn some advanced editing features of Word 2016. Cyber tidbits. Keyboard shortcut for undo command is Ctrl+Z. Keyboard shortcut for undo command is Ctrl+Y. Keyboard shortcut for cut, copy and paste command is Ctrl+X, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, respectively. Find and replace. Find and replace is a great feature in MS Word, which can be used to find and then edit, format, or replace all the occurrences of a particular word from the entire document. To find the occurrences of a particular word in the entire document, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on Find button located in the Editing group on the Home tab or press Ctrl+F on the keyboard. The navigation pane appears on the left side of the window. Step 2. Enter the word that we want to find in the search document text box and press the Enter key. That word will be highlighted wherever it appears in the entire document. Step 3. Keep clicking the previous search result button or next search result button on the right side of the navigation pane below the search box to find the text. Step 4. Click the Close button to close it after we have found the text, or press the ESC key on the keyboard. To replace a specific text in our document with some other text, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Replace button in the Editing group on the Home tab or press Ctrl+H on the keyboard. The Find and Replace dialog box appears. Step 2. Type the text that we want to search for and replace in the Find What text box. Step 3. Type the text that we want to replace the found text within the Replace with text box. Step 4. Click the Find Next button and the found text will be highlighted. Step 5. Now, do one of the following. Click the Replace button to replace the highlighted text with a new text. The next found text is highlighted. Repeat this step to replace all of the text one by one. Click the Replace All button to replace all of the text in the document at once. Click the Find Next button to skip the text we do not want to replace. Step 6. When the entire document is scanned for the search text, a message box is displayed. Step 7. Click OK and then click Close button to close the Find and Replace dialog box. Subscript and superscript. A subscript is a character that is set slightly below the normal line, whereas a superscript is a character that is set slightly above the normal line. Both of them are usually smaller than the rest of the text. To use subscript in MS Word, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the text on which we want to apply subscript formatting. Step 2. Click on the Subscript button in the Font group on the Home tab or press the Ctrl+= on the keyboard. The text will appear in subscript format. To change the text in superscript format, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the text on which superscript formatting needs to be applied. Step 2. Click on the Superscript button in the Font group on the Home tab or press Ctrl+Shift+= on the keyboard. The text will appear in superscript format. Header and footer. Header is an area of the document that appears in the top margin, while footer appears in the bottom margin of the document area. They are not automatically included in a document. We have to follow a number of steps to insert them. Inserting a header. To insert a header in a document, follow the steps given below. Step 1. On Insert tab, click Header button in the Header and Footer group. The Header menu will appear presenting a choice of built-in header layouts. Step 2. Select a layout of your choice. The header area will appear along with a placeholder. The Design tab also appears on the ribbon. Step 3. Click in the header area and type the desired text. Step 4. After we are finished with creating header, click on Close Header and Footer button in the Close group on the Design tab or simply press the ESC key on the keyboard. Inserting a footer. To add a footer in the document, we have to follow the same steps as described for header. The only difference is that this time, we have to click the footer button in the Header and Footer group on the Insert group. Drop cap. Drop cap allows us to make the first letter of a paragraph in a much bigger size than the other alphabets. If we want to add a drop cap letter, follow the given steps. Step 1. Highlight the paragraph that we want to begin with a drop cap. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. In the text group, click on Drop Cap button. A drop-down menu appears. Step 4. Select the dropped option from the list. Step 5. We can see the effect of drop cap in our document.